If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joey Baird. Questions have come up on when is the right time to harvest your onions, and if I remove the soil around the base of the bulb, will that encourage more bulb development? Well, we'll tackle the second question first. When is the time to harvest your onions? It can be any time during the growth cycle. However, if you're wanting to know that the bulb has grown as large as it's going to grow, the telltale sign is whenever the stem has creased or crimped over the bulb, like this here. We'll go ahead and harvest this nice tennis ball size onion. When this occurs, the growth of the onion is done. It has pinched off the energy that the onion leaves, that is what these are, has produced and put in the bulb. So this is all that onion's going to grow. Now, if we go back down here and look at an onion such as this or that or this one here, should you, in an instance like this, should we have moved the soil away from the bulb to encourage more bulb development before the top had creased over? Simply not true. That's a garden myth. The onion is going to grow to its genetic potential whether you remove the soil away from the bulb itself or you allow it to grow naturally. Now, these are smaller for what reasons? Potential lack of sunlight. We have a tree that is above us that casts a shadow during certain portions of the day. Onions are day length and light sensitive, and that can alter the size of the bulb. Secondly, how close they're planted. Thirdly, how much nutrients is in the soil. And fourthly, the genetics in which the onion has in it for proper bulb development. So we've got a couple of different sizes here. Large golf ball, large marble, the one you saw, the large tennis ball. We've got a bunch of different varieties or a bunch of different sizes. So those are some factors in which can make your onions grow bigger and larger or smaller and the size in which you see. But when they're crimped over, it's done no matter what you do, and you don't have to remove the soil around the base. If you're growing in very, very dense soil, such as clay or something like that, there is some potential possibility that that will inhibit the development of the bulb. But in good loose soil, in most gardens and raised beds, that's not an issue. Thanks for watching. Join me again next time for more organic gardening. I'm Joy Baird. This has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.